Hello guys, in this video I will show you why you must not use environment variable directly inside your code like that. As you can see here, I defined this environment variable here, API key test123, right? And here my function, imagine it's as controller maybe, I am returning and accessing its value here. And if I back to my browser, refresh, we must run our server, it returns its value without any problem, right? Now imagine we are deploying our app to production and we run this command for caching configuration. Here php artisan config cache, right? Here our configuration cached successfully, and now I will run my server again. Now refresh without any changes, right? Refresh, it has no values. Why? As it mentioned here in Laravel documentation, when you run this command while deploying your application, you must define your environment variable inside cache or inside configuration file like that. So here for example, I will define my API key inside maybe services, which exist inside configuration folder here, and I will say for this service maybe a Laravel boy, for example, right? I will define it as key, and I will say here env API key, this value here, right? And back again, and I will replace it with config function services dot Laravel boy, this value here services, I want to access to this value here, this one, dot Laravel boy dot key, right? And first I will remove the configuration cache, clear, run our server again, back and refresh, it returns. And if I run even here php artisan config cache again, run our server, refresh, and I still getting its value. So here is the result of using env directly inside your code without configuration file. If you found this tip useful, support me by clicking on like, share and subscribe. See you in next videos.